about the mean using the TIND function and hypothesis testing. This chapter focuses on two ideas. 1. Finding the 95% confidence interval about the mean, and 2. Hypothesis testing. Let's talk about the confidence interval first. 3.1 Confidence interval about the mean. In statistics, we are always interested in estimating the population mean. How do we do that? 3.1.1 How to estimate the population mean. Objective: to estimate the population mean, remember that the population mean is the average of all of the people in the target population. For example, if we were interested in how well adults ages 25-44 like the new flavor of Ben & Jerry's ice cream, we could never ask this question of all of the people in the US who were in that age group. Such a research study would take way too much time to complete, and the cost of doing that study would be prohibitive. So, instead of texting everyone in the population, we take a sample of people in the population and use the results of this sample to estimate the mean of the entire population. This saves both time and money. When we use the results of a sample to estimate the population mean, this is called inferential statistics because we are inferring the population mean from the sample mean.
So hello and welcome to the marketing statistic. Confidence interval about the mean using the TINV function and hypothesis testing. 95% confidence interval. You will have to enter this data, this Chevy Impala in miles per gallon. This is actually the running testing of a vehicle. Every time a gallon fuel is being fueled and the car, and then the car is run and tested and it's achieved. And the first is 30.9 miles, and the second is 24.5 miles, and so on and so forth. And look at this. Now we have to make this 95% confidence test interval. So for this we need the n count of the numbers of test, we need mean, the average, we need the standard deviation, we need the SE, standard error of the mean, and here is the 95% confidence interval. When we get this, for example, how do we get this? Look at this. To press the F2 key, my formula has been expanded, and the miles, which is colored is blue. Look at this. This is selected, this block. This is because I named this cell block as miles. So to find the n, we need to count in Microsoft Excel and give the cell block. To find the mean, we are using the average function of Microsoft Excel, and to find the standard deviation, we do use the stdev function of Microsoft Excel, and the standard error function. Look at this. Here we have formula d13 square root 8. This is the formula to get the standard error of the mean. Now for this we need the lower limit and upper limit of this study. End result of this formula, look at this d10. D10 is this cell, this is the mean in the formula, minus TINV is the function of Microsoft Excel, which Microsoft Excel recognize, and then 1 minus 0.95 comma 24. The total number of the test is 25. 1 is used here and 24 is used here, and then it is multiplied by the d16, and d16 is the standard error of the mean. So this way we achieve the lower limit. The same way, look at this formula, we use plus here, and the previous formula we use minus here. This is the difference between this. To achieve the lower limit we use minus, to achieve the upper limit we use the plus sign, and rest of the formula is the same. And then we draw this picture. The lower limit is 26.27, the reference value is 28, the 28.57 is the mean here, and the 30.86 is the upper limit. So what is the conclusion of this 95% confidence interval? The conclusion of this 95% confidence interval is, since the reference value of 28 is inside the confidence interval, we accept the Chevy Impala does get 28 miles per gallon. So this is the way we can get the study of confidence interval. And then this 95% confidence interval will be not every time fixed 95%, it can be changed, which we'll study in our further courses as soon as we go forward in our course material. So these things will be changed accordingly, and I hope you guys will like this video and it will be useful for you. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Take care, bye bye.